Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel Spotify Premium and get a refund. Alright, so let's begin with the video. All you need to cancel Spotify Premium is log into your account using a web browser, either on your computer or phone. After you are properly signed into the account that has the subscription you want to cancel, click on Account Overview. In there, use the left-sided menu to access your active subscriptions by clicking on the Manage Subscriptions tab. In the Manage Subscriptions tab, you should see the current subscription you have active at the top. And if you see down to the bottom of the page, you are able to find the Cancel Subscription button. And all you have to do is click on the Cancel Subscription button below it. You will be asked to go through with the setup, cancel your premium account, and after you do, you will have access to the Spotify free account. Now, as you can see, I'm showing you on screen, as it is stated by this official Spotify support page, they cannot refund gift cards bought from a store and premium payments made through a partner, such as iTunes. Which means that if you want to get a full refund, it's better that you contact them directly through their customer support email or the Spotify support page, since it's very hard to get a full refund, since they do give you the remaining days you have active on your subscription at the time of canceling it. And that's it. So that's basically how you can cancel Spotify Premium and get a refund. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.